in the hearing wisdom of the teachings, you're going to hear something different than what you are normally used to or what you normally know of. What's happening inside of you has all to do with outside. Though there is a relation between what's happening inside of you with outside what's there as a seemingly cause and conditions. If it is only that way, then you cannot find solace in the Dharma. You cannot find true refuge in the Dharma. You cannot find solace or true refuge in yourself. So in the hearing wisdom, in the teachings, you are made aware that there are other sets of cause and conditions that are just internal, that are just based on your own mind, where it is, how it is shaped, how it is formed, how it is been habituated. Now, if you could change that, in order to change that, you have to become aware. If you become aware and if you want to change through the hearing wisdom, then you have to really be convinced. It has to be not like a waving a stick, hoping that it would hit something in dark. You have to be convinced. So for that, you need the contemplative wisdom. So the difference between the hearing wisdom and the contemplative wisdom is that hearing wisdom, when the teachings are given or teachings are spoken to you, that it resonates, it makes a sense, but there's no conviction, there's no deep understanding, there's no a sense of knowing it from your own experience thoroughly. With the contemplative wisdom, there is that. So how do you make the transition from the hearing wisdom to the contemplative wisdom? Is you have to reflect what's being said in the teachings and the points that are laid out, whether it is something that not just kind of like in a rough, in a gross manner it makes a sense, but does it really make a sense in your own experience of life, in experience of your mind, in your own experience of how you carry out your state of negative, destructive emotions. Now when it makes a sense and you're convinced and you still feel weak, to change the habit, to just now that you know and you are convinced and you understand, but still feels weak to change your habit and become a total different, for that, then the meditative wisdom comes. Meditative wisdom is that which sort of like makes you try what you know, try what you understand, try what you know as true, and what you know is true, and you can apply a wisdom to change and react or not react differently.